Hello, everyone. It is Jennifer and my assistant Claire who is demonstrating the slime here. We are loving this slime kit. You will love it too. This makes a great gift for all of your slime loving kids in your life. Okay, so what's great about this slime kit is that it comes with 3 containers of different slime. It's already pre-made. As a mom, I love this because it's less messy than making your own. There are also lots of add-ins for the slime. My daughter prefers just straight up slime, but there are pieces of glitter and there are peaches and little cubes of sponge. There are so many things to put in the slime, which makes it extra fun. This would make a great gift or a party favor for a slime birthday party. You can see here we have a different texture of the slime out. Each one is slightly different. This one makes great bubbles, which is a huge hit, and you can put the different things in the slime. This one allowed the peach to go right through, which was a lot of fun. The slime feels great in your hands. It's a great sensory activity, just something nice to keep everyone busy. This is a nice rainy day or snowy day activity. Parents and family members, you will love this too. It is satisfying, as the kids say, and relaxing and fun. So here's everything that you get in the kit. Comes in this great little box, perfect for giving or for storing. We love it. You will too. We highly recommend.